Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, just open Settings. Now you need to click on Connected Devices and choose Pair New Device. Then just wait for available ones to show and click on the chosen one. Now in order to continue, you need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by choosing this gear icon next to the device. Click on Forget and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to it again, just click on Pair New Device and follow all of those instructions again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!